What's good with y'all, man? It's MET. Say it with me. XRO, man. We back with another video. So today, man, this is the first video on my channel where I'm going to be breaking down trades. Well, not really, but yeah, I get breaking down trades. Going over trades and just what I saw in the setup, why I took the setup, or either why I lost. So before we start the video, make sure you click the link in the description down below if you guys do have Instagram and you guys just want to follow me on IG. I'm saying I post my trades, post my losses, my wins, just all types of trading content, motivational content, and just me being just me, you feel me? I'm a goofy person. I show some of my goofy capabilities on Instagram, so go follow my IG, link in the description down below. Click that link. I got my YouTube, Instagram, all that shit. So this week, I ain't gonna lie, I started trading on Thursday because I was waiting to get a funded account all the way up until Thursday. I grabbed it on Thursday and then I traded Thursday and Friday. So I took a decent amount of trades on Thursday and Friday. It's not like no 10 trades, but it's still decent trades. I feel like y'all would still like to see, because I never really went over like step by step on how I trade and shit. So this is a video straight for that. So man, if you're new to the channel, don't even subscribe yet. You can just like the video. You only gotta like it. But hey, at the end of this video, if you enjoy what you see, or like what you see, or you fuck with me, or you just feel like I'm just not gonna be sharing life, go ahead and subscribe and like. But hey man, we finna get straight into this, man. So I believe I took this trade. It was on Thursday, and I'm gonna just explain to y'all what I saw and all that other shit, right? So, you know, in this channel, we don't hide no bullshit. If I lose, I lose. I'm gonna go over my losses too. So I got my things marked up on trading view. So what we finna do, we finna just get straight into it. I'm gonna just walk y'all through it all. So man, basically this setup right here, as you can see, I'm on the 3-minute time frame. I ain't gonna lie, I fucking love the 3-minute time frame. I see a lot of people trading the 5-minute, 15-minute. Now me personally, I love the 3-minute over the 5-minute. The 3-minute just be hitting. I don't know what it is, but bro, the 3-minute just be hitting, man. But right here, as you can see, price pushed up. I do trade supply and demand, but that's not the only thing that I trade. But if I see it, you best believe I'm gonna take it if everything looks right to me. So boom, as you can see. Now, one thing I will say is the SMA. Sometimes on the 3-minute, the SMA will not be in your favor, but that still doesn't mean the trade will play out. Like I said, if I see it set up and like the candles are acting right, the wicks are acting right, I'm gonna get in. So me personally, I like to keep my risk low. I'm an in and out scalper. So me, I believe I entered, as you can see right here, this little candle right there, it tapped into that zone, tapped in, it didn't go all the way into that zone. It didn't go to the middle of the zone. It just tapped in just a little bit, and that's all you need. And then look at the rejection though. Look at the candle. It came all the way, pushed all the way down, and it pushed all the way back up. So I was like, all right. Now I don't like to enter candles. Now I'm gonna just give y'all some free game. I don't like to enter candles that. So let's say you see how I was about to point, like y'all fucking behind me or some shit. So basically, you know how. All right. So boom, we got that candle right there, right? Got this big ass bullish engulfing candle, right? Boom, we draw the zone. Now, this first candle that touched the zone, I don't like to get in. I like to just let that do whatever it do and let that candle finish out. And on the next candle, I enter. Because a lot of the times, what happens, or shit, because I've been in a lot of trades where I try to get in. I call that getting aggressive on the candle wherever it touches the zone. You just get in. I call that aggressive because a lot of times, the candle isn't even done doing what it's doing yet, you know, and it could still bounce back up again, and then just go straight down and just fail. And now look at you. You're either lost or you're in drawdown because you weren't patient. So what I like to do is I like to wait for the candle after the candle that touches after the zone. So this candle right here, I was like, all right, it's holding, right? So boom, I got in on this candle right here, just being patient. This candle right here I got in, that's when my stop loss was set below this one, and then boom, this trade hit TP within like a couple minutes, literally a couple minutes. So that was a perfect trade, easy trade for me to take. After I saw this, I was like, okay, Then it came back to the zone, finished like this, and I was like, oh, we getting in next candle. We getting in next candle if it break above that. Yeah, because I don't think I trusted breaking above this. I wanted it to break above that. So yeah, I got in right there. That was a beautiful little trade right there. Almost a 1 to 2. So boom, that was a beautiful ass trade, man. Now a lot of these zones I drew up, I was thinking about taking, but I didn't take. I didn't take that, as you can see. It would have been a decent ass trade. But this right here, I mean, shit, you could have won. Like I said, if I would have took this trade, it probably would have won. I don't know. It went up a decent amount. But hey, man, we finna just go through all my wins and losses, and then I'm gonna show y'all some other stuff that I had marked up but I didn't take. So I already got all my things marked up. So for this right here, man, really what I saw is, I guess you could say, is a triple top. 5 minute. This is a 3-minute triple top. I believe on a 5-minute as well. Okay, what the fuck is this? Okay, hold on. Is this the same trade? No, it's not. Alright, cool. So basically what I saw right here is 5-minute triple top. 5-minute triple top. Now that's one of the most basic shits in Forex that you can learn, and one of the patterns you can learn. But you know, you don't ever want to trade just because you see a 5-minute triple top. Because sometimes, you know, on TikTok and shit, they be like, oh, I hate them little fucking videos where it just be like, how to trade in 3 minutes, and you whoop 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 whoop, you enter right here. The fuck? You gonna end up calling Forex a scam watching them damn videos, bro. But yeah, right here, I'm on the 15-minute chart now. And you know, you could still call this a triple top, but what I mostly saw was a double top, and that was like another confirmation of like, okay, look, I'm gonna be in for a sale if it break below a certain point and break below a certain candle. So, all right, MT4, you trading me? You wanna show me where I was at? Okay, you wanna take me to my last trade? All right, MT4. I swear, me and MT4, we gonna have to scrap one of these days, man. But yeah, so I got in this trade a little bit late, for the reason being, at the time I was back testing, and I got in a little bit late, so I was already back testing. I wasn't really looking at this move before it even hit this zone up here. I was just back testing, and I was like, okay, shit, I might as well take this trade. Now let's go back to the 3-minute, and you know, fucking trading view is gonna take me all the way to somewhere I don't want to go in the trade that I didn't take. So you know, we have fun with this shit. You know, I just love scrolling down. You know, not going to my entries. So boom, right here, man. Right here we are. Boom, as you can see, even on the 3-minute triple top, like on all time frames, it was a triple top, and I'm like, alright, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna take this shit. But I was trying to be patient with the shit, and I was kind of being, I was on the iffy side of taking it, but I was like, you know what? If it break below this candle right here, then fuck it, I'm gonna get in, and we just gonna see what's gonna happen. This was like a really, really, really small trade because I was about to head to my friend's house. I was just like, fuck it, I just want to catch a quick trade. So as you can see, if you really wanted to get in like aggressive, I would say, you really could have got in right here at the very, very, very top of this move. But like I said, I wasn't watching this shit. This was gonna be a beautiful entry. If I got in, this is what it would have been, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I most likely would have targeted that right there, but like I said, wasn't looking at it. So I got in right here, man. I was just patient with it. Boom, once it broke below, as soon as I got in, it went down to profit a little bit, and then it went back up, and I'm like, this shit tested me. This shit really tested me. But I'm like, fuck it, man. I'm not scared to lose. I have my stop loss set above this point, and I was like, if it break above, bro, I have to get out. I just have to get out. And what do you know? Me just trusting my analysis. You gotta trust your analysis when you in the trade, bro. I know it's gonna be hard, and I know you've been like, damn, I could cut my losses quick, but then you gotta think about, like, bro, you gotta trust yourself, and you have to actually know how to place your stop loss. Like, a lot of people don't really know how to place their stop loss on the way that they trade, because certain people, certain strategies and shit, you have to know where to place your stop loss at. For me, I figured out the strategy that I trade. I know how to place my stop loss and where to place it at. And my stop loss is there for a reason, because if it breaks above that, then it's either playing around too much or it's gonna go the other way, the opposite way. So I just get out and take my loss. And it came up close, and I was like, fuck it. If it break above, I'm out. but did break below and it hit TP. I got rewarded with it. So that was just a simple trade. I had confluences on the 3-minute, the 5-minute, and the 15-minute. All it took was just patience and just getting in at the right time and executing the trade. That's really what it is. You know, you gotta have patience. And then once you master your patience, you gotta know how to get in the trade, stay in the trade, and control your emotions through the trade. So I think I got one more trade on AUDUSD, and then we are on to the next pair though. So yeah, this shit right here, this was a loss. I'm not even gonna lie to you. It was a good loss though. I'm not mad at it whatsoever. Like, things were just decently perfect for me, but shit happens. So basically what happened here, you see I have my supply and demand zone marked up on the 3-minute time frame. 3-minute time frame just hit. Now I know this is a loss, but I'm telling you, it fucking hit. Boom. As you can see right here, this looked like a perfect trade. Perfect trade. Like I said, I don't get in on the candle that goes into the zone. I wait patiently. So as you can see, this was the first candle that went to the zone, and I was originally going to enter on this candle right here, but as you can see, it didn't break below this. So I'm like, all right, fuck it. We're just gonna be patient. And once we got that first rejecting candle where it didn't finish out the zone, but it wicked down below the zone, and it showed like, hey, I'm saying this candle finished bearish. I'm like, all right, fuck it. I'm gonna wait till the next candle. Once it broke below the wick, I got in and profit for a little bit. And I'm not gonna lie, I probably should have had my stop loss set right above this one. But I feel like I just wanted to give it some breathing room. I like to give my trades a little bit of breathing room since it was like so early getting out the zone and shit. But then again, I think it was later in the day. So, you know, later in the day, sometimes less volume. But I set my stop loss above here, and I'm glad I got out right there. You know, instead of just letting the trade run and just me being in my feelings, I took the loss. And, you know, it was decent confirmations. It seemed like it respected the zone for a little bit, and we were in the downtrend, and the SMA was on top of that. So those are some confirmations that I used the SMA, the trend, and respecting the zone, along with you have to know how to read candles and wicks as well. Because candles and wicks, bro, if you know how to read candles and wicks, once you draw your zones up, all you have to do is just pay attention to them candles and wicks. They're gonna tell you the truth, bro. Real shit, man. I think this is it for AUDUSD. I'm trying not to take my time on this, but just because we right here, this is something else I had drew up, but I didn't take, because I think, I don't know why the fuck I didn't take this shit. This is damn near the end of the day, but this would have been a perfect ass setup to take if the market didn't market close. Of course, it was Friday. Market closes. Now NAS 100. I love NAS 100, but lately I've been cheating with AUDUSD a little more. I ain't gonna lie. But you know what I'm saying? Me and Naz, we still cool though. You know, we still got a little kid. You know, we good. We co-parent sometimes. We cool. I think I only have one setup on here. This shit is lagging like shit. I need to get me a new computer. But this trade right here, this is a simple, beautiful ass trade that I just wanted to take and just keep small. I just wanted to keep small. And once again, I'm on the 3-minute, man. I'm telling you, like, bro, I'm finna start putting so much people onto the 3-minute. The 3-minute chart is just, this shit is insane. Like, shit is insane, man. I'm not gonna lie. Cause I know a lot of people this week was like, yo, like, I couldn't really find any moves and shit like that. And I'm like, what time frame you trade on? It was like 5-minute, 15. I was like, look, bro, 3-minute should be hitting. Like, 3-minute be having some hidden shit. Like I said, it's another supply and demand zone. Broke above, came back down, gave us that, bro. This candle, hold on. I gotta really let y'all know this shit. This candle right here that touched this zone, this candle right there, bro. Once you see that candle right there in whatever zone you got, supply and demand zone, support and resistance zone, be ready to get in the trade. Be ready to get in the trade if you see that. If everything is following up to your trading plan and you like what you see and you see that candle, get ready for an entry. Just saying, cause look, bro. Soon just let the candle close. I had to let the candle close. I don't care how far it come down. Only if I get in aggressive. If I would have gotten aggressive, then I still would have won. But I don't like getting in aggressive every time. But you know what I'm saying, I waited till that candle closed, and once I saw how that candle closed, it was a wrap. I was like, as soon as it break above here, I'm fucking in. I'm in. I'm got my finger over the buy button. And I got in my little 2 positions, and boom, that trade just hit so fucking quick. Like, I love trades where it hit like ASAP. It's not no up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. That's the main reason why I don't like swing trading, because me personally, you can definitely be profitable from it, but it's just not my way of trading. I like getting in and out. And bro, I could have fucking held this trade to y'all see what that say, right? 1 to 7 RR. 3-minute shit is fucking amazing. I love it. I fucking love it, bro. I love the 3-minute chart. Now, I don't think I took another trade on NAS. I'm not too sure. Not too sure at all. But yeah, basically this video, I'm just trying to really make sure y'all get everything on why I take the trades, why I trade the way I trade, instead of just saying, okay, I had this zone marked up. That's it. You know, I'm trying to really break this shit down and give y'all some free game while I'm doing it too, though. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can either improve yourself or either understand the way I trade. Now, USDJPY. This is another pair I low-key fuck with. I'm not gonna lie. I think I only took 1 trade on this week. This laggy ass computer. Yeah, cause I only traded 2 days. I don't know why I'm over here thinking I traded the whole fucking week. By the way, for the people who asking, yes, I am currently up on my funded account. I sure forgot to tell y'all that shit. You know, y'all probably like, he didn't tell us. He's probably down 5%. Not down 5%, bro. I'm chilling. I'm up on my funded account. So yeah, this right here. What happened right here? Let me see. Let me look. Let me analyze this shit. Let's go to the. Was this a 5-minute trade? I think this was a 5-minute trade. Nah, it wasn't a 5-minute trade. Had to be on a 3-minute. Alright, so bam, look, man. Oh, okay. I'm finna break this shit down, cause I need y'all to understand this shit. Sometimes on the lower time frames, shit happens just like, sometimes it happens just to happen, but sometimes you need to go on the lower time frames if you're trading like the 5-minute shit, just to make sure it's no supply and demand zones coming up while you're getting in the trade. So like I said, right here, I drew my zone up. Technically, I guess you could say it kind of been hit already, but I was just like, man, fuck it, you know. The way this candle pushed up, I liked it. I liked how this candle ended right here. It was a nice was it a pin candle? I ain't gonna lie, I don't remember the name of that shit. But it pushed up, tapped this bearish candle, tapped the zone. Then we get a bullish candle, a real nice bullish candle, respecting the supply and demand zone. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna get in. Once it break above, I might have got in on this candle right here. I'm not gonna lie, because I think it broke above like the previous wick it had, but then it came down a little bit. So you know, it didn't. It's not one of them candles where it's like it don't have a wick at the top. You know what I mean? So then this happened, and I didn't really know why the fuck it happened. Cause bro, when I tell you it happened so fucking quick, this shit happened so fucking quick, and I'm gonna tell y'all why exactly it happened. Because at the moment I did not know this shit. I did not know this shit until like, I think earlier today, man. So basically what happened is you could pretty much see the supply and demand zone kick my ass on a 1-minute time frame. It was a beautiful trade. I'm not hating on nobody who took my bread on this trade, but you know, I felt some type of way though. So, and the thing is that really blew me though, the shit that really pissed me off, I'm not gonna lie, is that I didn't see this zone. I was trading on the 3-minute, and I was on the I'm not gonna lie, I took this trade right before I left the house to go get a haircut, right? And I'm thinking everything's sweet. Man, I get in the car, you know, it's trending down a little bit, and then next thing you know, what I gotta zoom in for this shit. The motherfucking spotlight is on this candle right here. Man, when I tell you I looked down and this shit just started melting like crazy, I was like, ain't no fucking way. ain't no fucking way. I was like, ain't no fucking way. But it's a valid. I'm not mad. It respected his own heavy, and it just fucking, bro. Bro, people be sleeping on the 1 minute time frame, the 3 minute time frame. A lot of people trade on the 5 minute. Ain't nothing wrong with 5 minute. The 5 minute definitely be doing setups, but the 3 minute is just more fit for me. I like 3 minute, but not so much of the 1 minute. I'm not really a 1 minute trader. I'm mostly, if I had to pick out all of them, I'm a 3 minute time frame trader. So yeah, that shit happened, and then that shit just melted. And then the thing is, bro, no, y'all gotta see this shit. Y'all gotta see this shit. I gotta fucking zoom in. It tapped my stop loss out by a fucking centimeter. A fucking centimeter. And then it tried to go back up. And that's when I was like, okay, alright. It got me. I'm not gonna lie. I'll take the L. It got me. I'm not gonna get my feelings about it. Okay, maybe I was in my feelings about it because I was like, damn, the way that shit came so hard. Pause. Fucking pause. Because I know that was fucked up. I'm not gonna lie. That shit sounded fucking terrible. That shit sounded beyond terrible. I'm not gonna lie. But then I was like, hold on, it's coming back up. And I'm like, wait, hey, yo, like, what the fuck? What happened? You know what I mean? So, another thing, I think did I enter on a 5 minute for this one? I'm trying to get this shit right for y'all. Okay, I think I did enter on a 5 minute. Yeah, I did enter on a 5 minute. So basically what I was waiting for is I wanted to just make sure that it was going to continue going up. I don't remember if I entered on a 5 minute or a 3 minute. But I know for a fact, if I entered on a 5 minute, then for sure I made sure I waited to enter above this. I made sure to enter above that. So, no, I think I entered on 3 minute. Yeah, I entered on this candle over here. Entered on this candle right here. Right when it broke above that, because I had PTSD, and mind you, I don't recommend y'all. I don't recommend y'all doing this shit. But I was trading while driving. I was in a trade while I was driving, and yeah, I might just be playing though, just in case Finny 12 watching. I'm cool. I don't break any laws. I don't smoke any weed. You know, even though weed is legal, I don't do none of that bullshit. But yeah, I just waited till it broke above that. And then my stop loss was right underneath this candle. Now a lot of people may be asking me, why do you always set your stop loss on the candle that you enter in? Because the candle that I enter in it's not just a regular candle. It's a candle that like sets the tone for the move for me. And I feel like if it breaks below that, then 9 times out of 10 it's gonna continue going the way that it broke down below. And most of the time I'm right, because if it in this trade right here, and in other trades that I previously back tested, that if I step my stop loss above the candle that I enter on and it breaks below that candle, it's gonna keep going that way. And that's why I step my stop loss like that. It's not just because I want a cooler or a better looking RR. It's just it like, bro, if it breaks below that, then I gotta get out. I'm gone. Like, it's gonna keep going that way most of the time. So that's just from back testing this shit. I know a lot of people, they like to go for 1-to-1s. Now 1-to-1s are cool, but after I, like, you know what I'm saying, I set my entry, I set my take profit, and then I'll adjust my stop loss. Like, let's say 1-to-1. A 1-to-1 is like a stop loss all the way down here. I'm not trying to step my stop loss all the way down there because it's not even below a candle. Like, it's below a candle, but bro, it's all the way down below, like right here. Like, fuck it, I'm gonna just set some shit that makes sense to me, and it works for me. Set it right there, and boom, that's almost a 1-to-2 RR. And as you can see, while I was in this trade, I was in a barber chair, had my phone out. Bro was beaming me up, you know, doing all the barber and shit. And you know what I'm saying, once I was in profit by a whole lot, I was like, damn, it's finna hit my TP. Bro started lining me up. I look back down, all this shit's happening. I'm like, okay. But once I saw these wicks, once I saw 3 of them wicks, and then it broke above, this candle broke above right here, I was like, all right, yeah, we're hitting TP. But hey, man, I think that's it. No, we had another trade on GU. It's the last one. This video might be long, but hey, bro, I don't give a fuck. I'm trying to really bring y'all into my mindset on how I train, all that shit, you know. So I'm really trying to lock y'all in with this shit. I'm not trying to give y'all no bogus ass breakdown, but this zone right here, I'm gonna give y'all a breakdown with this. This is probably the quickest trade of the fucking week, nigga. Like the quickest trade of the fucking week. I was on this shit for like a minute. Keep it a buck with y'all. And why? Once again, I believe this was a 5-minute trade. Well, it was a 5-minute trade and a 3-minute trade. Like, it was just confluences all over. So for the 5-minute, okay, Lon, you gotta get the hell on. So on the 5-minute, what I saw was a supply and demand zone, right? Beautiful supply and demand zone. Now look at these two candles. Look at these two candles that it gave us. Now the first candle was like, okay, and I wasn't really looking at this move until the second candle, and I was like, okay, if it does the same thing and it could continue, if it can break above this candle right here, like the first candle that touched this zone right here, then I might be getting in. I had to wait for this candle to fully develop. So boom, it fully developed, and it gave us, like, it just rejected the zone so beautifully, and I'm like, you know what, I gotta take this trade. So I got in right here, boom. Now all the little influences on the fucking, you know, on the 5-minute, it worked. So now I went down to the 3-minute, my favorite time frame, and then you see this. Another supply and demand zone. Broke above, came back, just touched it a little bit, and then it just flew. It just flew. It just flew. I'm trying to go on a woman to show y'all how fast this shit flew. Like, bro, this shit flew. Like, bro, come on now. Like, you don't want your take profit to get hit fast? Like, that shit is, that, like, when that shit happens, like, when your take profit get hit fast, that shit is a good ass feeling. But then again, if your take profit get hit real fast, it's also a chance that shit reversing real fast. As you can see, if I didn't take this shit, if I tried to have like a take profit all the way up here, I would have been salty as shit. I'm not gonna lie, I would have been salty as shit. I would have been, ooh, I'm up, would have got me a little picture, and then I would have looked back at the charts and I'm like, what the fuck? And then now I'm over here questioning, why didn't I take my take profit? You know, shit like that. So that's that trade. It was a beautiful trade. I had confluences on the 3-minute and a 5-minute. You just love the shit, man. You love to see it when you got confluences on different time frames and they all just come together and you just get you a fucking dub. So man, that's the end of this video. This video probably was gonna be low-key long, but I just really wanted to break down the way, like, the way I trade and the way I see shit, because I've never really done it. I know I do live trades and shit, but I feel like that's still not good enough. I wanted to go over multiple setups, go over my losses, my wins, what I saw, my confluences, all that shit in one video. So man, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, follow me on IG, click the link in the description down below, and that's all I got. Get the fuck off the video, bro. What you doing? Like, you want me to go over another trade? Like, get off the video. Nah, I'm bullshitting, but hey, go enjoy your day. Don't blow your fucking count.